So this is the hard drive enclosure. It's pretty nice. Gives you your cables, USB to Type-C, Type-C to USB. And this is it. So this is the enclosure. And what's cool is you press and it opens up and you just put your stick in here. Now we don't have one just because we're going to be building a custom project, so I got to get one. But it's pretty nice. And if you're worried about it falling out, nope. It will not until you push the button, then it pops open. USB port right there, right there. Overall, very nice. It has this like silicone protectant shock absorber on it. So very nice. And again, once you push it out, it won't come off. Double-sided piece of tape here. So what you do is you peel that off. You stick this down on the bottom and then you put your stick on it. Very nice.